Some people have been asking me if they can actually use Canva to create a video. Yes, you can use Canva to create your video, to animate your video. So I'm going to show you in this video how you can use canva.com to create your video. Then I'm also going to reveal another AI tool you can use to create both the video and voiceover in the same page. Yeah, everything, both the voiceover and the video, you create it from one source using one particular AI tool. So if this makes sense to you, sit back and make sure you watch this particular video till the very end. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and also make sure you drop your comments, drop your thoughts in the comments below, and try as much as possible to share this video with another creator. So without much ado, let's get right into the practical section of this video. Let's get right in there. Come over to your browser and search for canva.com/AI. canva.com/AI. So once you search for it, you open and it will take you down here. If you haven't used Canva before now to design, just go ahead to log in with your email or your Google account. So come over to where you see describe your idea to paste your prompt. So you can bring in your reference image. Click on upload to bring in your reference image. So I'm gonna be making use of this. The image and the prompt is ready. For aspect ratio, I love the one that comes by default 16:9. Lighting, I will choose golden hour. So then I'm going to send. So once you send, it will start thinking I will create a video with golden hour lighting and audio based on your description, using the uploaded image as a reference. So I'm going to say go ahead to create. I'm going to just say go ahead to create, and it will start creating. Let's just wait here together to see the end result. Now if you've watched to this point, please kindly like this video, like it, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and also let me know your comments, let me know your thoughts in the comments section, and share this video with another person. Okay, so let's wait to see. Okay, it's ready. Your video has been generated with beautiful golden hour lighting. So I'm going to click on it. So this is the video. I just clicked on it and it took me here. So I'm going to play. Oh, it's beautiful. I love it. It's beautiful anyway, since there is consistency in character. And I got to know that there is no voice, there is no audio. Okay, this is where you can get to add the audio. Anyways, I just want to open your eyes and your mind for you to see that this is actually available and you can use it to create your video. And you know how you do it on Canva. You come over here to download it and click on download. Yeah, so once you click on download, you go ahead to click again download as MP4. As you know, MP4 is video. Adjust maybe the quality. Okay, you can crop all of this, transparency, all of that. So that is that. I hope you are going to try out. This is for people who want to just animate, because there are some AI, there are some video that just needs you to animate. Yes, I've been doing lots of videos about that. You just want to animate a particular image or animate a particular thing. This is it. You can use it for free to animate. And I hope you are going to try it out. Okay, so let's try out another AI tool you can still use to create a video. Let's check out another one. The next AI tool is called app.flicky.ai. app.flicky.ai. This one here. So go ahead to click on it and kindly go ahead to sign up or sign in if you've been using. So once you sign up, it will take you to this interface. Okay, this is the home page where you can be able to create your video. So what you have to do is for you to come over here, come down here where you see enter your video ID. So I'm going to paste my own script here. So this is the script. So at this point, I just want to use only the script, not with reference image. So I'm going to click on create to send. Now it doesn't end there. That doesn't mean that you've created. So once you click on that create, it will take you down to this interface where you can be able to select your aspect ratio. If you look closely, this is the prompt, the script, and under here is the aspect ratio where you can get to select your aspect ratio. I'm going to be using 16:9, so I'm going to select that. Select 16. So under your video, you're going to see here your video. So the landscape is here, the template, no template, AI images. Then for voiceover, auto voice English. Okay, I need a voiceover. So if you click on the voiceover, if you click on that voiceover, it will take you to different voices that you can actually select to use. Okay, we have different voices. So let me just zoom for you to see. We have different voices, so you can actually test run it, preview it to you.
Natural rhythm and clarity.
Can you see that?
Our strategic initiatives.
As we explore the intricate work complexity.
So I'm gonna be using Brisa voice. So I'm going to select voice, click on select voice. So once you select the voice you want to use, you come over here, still under your video, you're going to see captions. Do you want captions on the video? You can go ahead to toggle it on if you want. If you do not want it, you toggle it off. So once you are done setting up and everything is ready, click on generate video. So immediately you click on generate video, it will start generating. You can see this preparing, and very soon it's going to just start generating and you are going to see the result. Can you see how fast it is? Right now it's already on 30 something, and yeah. So let's just wait. Please kindly like this video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also let me know your thoughts in the comment section. This particular video is very important for those people that are into maybe story channel, story videos, African folktale story, and also narration videos, and animation, and also YouTube automation. So this particular video is for you. So just make sure you start using it, and you can see it is ready. Okay.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we'll discover how one simple idea can completely change the way you solve problems. Let's begin.
Can you see that? If you want to add music, you can add. If you want to change the voice, you can change. You can see all of these things down here. Can you see the character and all of this? You can actually make an adjustment. So for you to be able to download, just you click here. You can see download. Then go ahead to start export. Start export. You can see that it is downloading. You can see first it's going to be queued and it is processing. That is how you can download the video. Download MP4. That's why it is always good for you to watch a video to the very end, so that you will know how to make the most out of a particular AI tool. Not for you to watch a video few seconds and you say, I cannot download it, whereas you did not watch that video till the very end. Do not stress a creator because the person decides to showcase his or herself out there. Do not stress that person. It is good you always watch a video till the very end, so as to know how to use a particular thing that was taught. Okay, very, very important. Okay, since it's done downloading. Now so far I've generated 2 videos. This is the first one I generated before the second one. So let me show you the first one. This is the first one, still on the same prompt. Let me play for you to see.
Ever wonder what it's like inside a Harvard lecture? Imagine this: a brilliant professor, a room buzzing with anticipation, and an idea that just clicks. Good morning, everyone. Today, We'll discover how one simple idea can completely change the way you solve problems. Let's begin. This is where transformative learning happens. If you're curious about more incredible insights, hit subscribe.
So that is how you can create your video using this app.flicky.ai, and I hope you are going to try it out. Some people do look for a particular AI tools they can use to narrate their story, or they can use to animate their image, or all of that. So this is it. I really hope you found this particular video valuable. Do not forget to like, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. See you in my next one. Goodbye.